Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide on managing your digital assets. Today, we're diving into how to transfer XRP from Xumm to Uphold, full guide for 2025. If you're holding XRP in your Xumm wallet and want to move it to Uphold for easier trading or storage, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there safely and efficiently. First off, a quick refresher. XRP is a popular cryptocurrency. Xumm is a secure wallet app for XRP, and Uphold is a versatile platform where you can buy, sell, and hold various assets including crypto. Before we jump in, make sure you have a few things ready: an active Xumm wallet with some XRP, a verified Uphold account, and a stable internet connection. Also, remember that crypto transfers involve fees and potential risks, so double-check everything to avoid mistakes. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the Xumm app on your mobile device and log in to your wallet. Once you're in, navigate to the Send or Transfer section. Step 2. You'll need the Uphold wallet address for XRP. Head over to your Uphold account on their website or app, go to your XRP wallet, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: always verify that you're using the correct network, which for XRP is typically the XRP ledger. Step 3. Back in Xumm, paste the Uphold address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send, making sure to leave enough for any transaction fees. Step 4. Review the details carefully, check the address, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, hit Send, and confirm with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the XRP to appear in your Uphold account, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, you can check your Uphold balance to confirm. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, don't panic. Just wait for network confirmation or contact support. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your XRP from Xumm to Uphold. Remember, always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and keeping your private keys safe. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.